last thing here. Got some issues here. I've got to get a wire brush in here. Okie dokie. This is all got it. No, it's not too bad there, but some of it, it's just all got to get sprayed in with the goo off stuff. Anyway, this is all monotonous. Keep on going on with this. So got the painter up there. He's rubbing back the. And there's Rob.
Can you grab me shirt, please?
Sure. This is where Rob hides all day long. Where most stokers hide. Ooh, very nice job. This is what he's been doing. Very nice job, Rob. So this is the keel. This is all lead, and it was all rusted out. We moved it yesterday. It's on my other phone and my phone recording. So we're going to make a template of this and then cut it out, and then he's going to re-weld it tomorrow. Okie dokie. Let's do this. That's a very nice job, mate. Well, better make it the length first, eh?
Clean the car.
Yeah. Oh, what? I turned it on.
Hard to find a good PA.
Oh, he's having a go again. It's on. Oh, no, it wasn't plugged in. Here's a master at his job. Look at that for precision. I've got the enviable job of trying to clean out this gutter in here. There's something that's going on there. Yeah, baby, more windows. Slowly, slowly. Thomas, can you open the gate a bit? How you going, mate?
Not too bad, sir.
Yeah, good. I've got to open this gate. Hang on a second. Oh, cool. Good on you. Sweet. Many thanks. Oops. Oops, just slipping. Ah, fantastic. Thank you. Many thanks to you, the Reese and the boys. Great. Excellent, thank you. Cheers. It's the windows from Alfab. Or Fab. It's the fly screens. Fantastic. Oh, little fly screens. Little tiny fly screens. Okay. Parcel there. Sad about. Hello everybody. I'd like to introduce you to a very, very special guest, a fellow I met a couple of weeks ago at the Century Cove Boat Show. This fellow hiding down here, this is Wayne from Vitus.
Good afternoon, everyone.
That's Wayne.
Nice to meet you. We're back.
Okay, he's going to help us sort out what we need with regards to maybe a motor and some different things, but we'll leave it all as a secret for the moment because until we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. I have faith in him, so let's wait and see.
No pressure.
No pressure. Okay, we'll hold off this. Okay, cheers. Bye.